Okay, class. This listening for Unit 11 will help you with some of the vocabulary we studied in class, some of the question words, what, where, when, how, why, and it will also help you for task 11, okay? I will try and make it a small listening, but you know sometimes I like to talk. You can stop the listening, you can listen again, but answer the questions below. So, for this topic, I will talk about one of my favorite animals. This is difficult for me because I like all animals, and if I have to choose just one, I was thinking, should I choose tigers, should I choose dogs, horses, snakes? But alas, I chose pandas for my topic. Why do I like pandas? Who doesn't like pandas? I think everyone likes pandas. They're cute, they're funny, they look like very friendly animals because they're always playing, they always seem to be having fun. So this is why I like them, because they're friendly and cute as well. So, I will give you some information about pandas. We will look at some different questions about them. You need to just follow and listen. I think half of you will be listening to me, half of you will be watching the panda on the screen. Inshallah, you can answer my questions. So, to start with, I will talk about what do pandas eat. Now, pandas, and we will talk about this later, love eating. They eat a lot, but they do not eat meat. They are kind of like vegetarians. They only eat usually plants and trees and things like this. So no meat, no animals, they just eat plants and trees. And then I will move on and I will talk about how tall are pandas. Pandas are shorter than people. Yeah, some people. Most pandas are usually like 60 centimeters to 90 centimeters. So I think everyone in our class is taller than the panda because 90 centimeters is quite short. But the strange thing is how heavy are pandas. So, pandas are very short, 90 centimeters, but they usually weigh 70 kilograms to 100 kilograms. So they're very small, but they're very heavy. For example, they're smaller than khulud, but they are heavier than khulud as well. Yumkin. So, we know they eat plants and vegetables, we know they're short, and we know they're heavy. My next question, my next topic, is how long do pandas sleep for every day? Now, pandas usually sleep for 10 hours every day. So it's a little bit like some of you sleep more than 10 hours. For example, Moza. But pandas only sleep for 10 hours every day. Now, next we have how many hours do they eat? Now, pandas, they do three things. They sleep, they eat, and they play. So actually, pandas usually eat for 14 hours every day. Yani they wake up, they eat, play, eat, play for 14 hours. And then finally they sleep again. So they usually eat for 14 hours every day. And again, same as some students, they sleep, they eat, they play. Khalas. MashaAllah, I want the same life as the panda. We have 2 more questions, 2 more topics. Next one is about how old, okay? Or I'm going to say how long do they usually live? So most pandas, the pandas in the video, are babies. They're like 2 or 3 years old. Most pandas live for 20 years. And then after 20 years, halas, they die. And inshallah, they have children and more pandas are coming. Now, the last question is even more sad. The last question is, how many pandas are there in the world? And this is a big problem because some pandas, they live in the zoo and it's nice, it's safe. But the pandas that live outside of the zoo, in the forest, there's only 2,000 pandas living outside of the zoo. So maybe if we do not fix the problem, in the future there will be no pandas, they will be gone. So, very sad. Anyway, I hope you listen to this and I hope you understand this. If you have any questions, send them to me. Try to complete the questions below, and if you need help, then you can ask. So good luck and see you in class.